Hey guys, wanted to talk about it Tuesday. It's been a minute, been a little bit tied up, a little bit distracted. Just wanted to cover something that I think is really, really pertinent right now. Knowing what your warranties cover and knowing what your insurance covers. So we have had a ton of rain lately. My own roof is leaking here at home. I had a situation where I got a call about a basement leaking. And that was a house that our seller sold. We have a call from a buyer, or another seller that our buyer's under contract with, that the basement is leaking. So a lot of the weather that we're seeing right now, it's causing a lot of issues. And I think it's an excellent time, really before an issue happens is the best time to evaluate your warranties or your insurances. But times like this, it becomes very, very important. So I thought it'd be a really good time to talk about how to kind of know what you've got. So for example, home warranty programs. Not every home warranty covers everything, and no home warranty covers everything. So it's a really good time to look at your home, if you have a home warranty, to look at your warranty coverage and know what that covers. So does it cover HVAC? Some warranties cover HVAC, but only to a certain extent. Like if you have to get coolant put back in it, it may be only a certain amount of the coolant that has to go back in it. Some warranties will cover a roof repair. Some warranties don't cover roof at all. Some warranties are structural, and some are just on systems. So in general, what warranties typically cover are your plumbing, electrical, appliances, HVAC, but you really need to look at your warranty packet, evaluate those warranties, and see what items they cover, to what extent, and what may not be covered. Don't assume everything is covered. And another really important tip on warranties is, one, don't just call anybody. Don't call a contractor. You have to work within the warranty company. So you have to contact a contractor that is on the approved list for your warranty company to make sure that it's going to be covered. If you just call a plumber out of the phone book, the warranty company may say, we're not going to cover that. So you really have to work through the warranty company. So that's a tip on warranties. Another recommendation is to really know your insurance coverage. So right now we've got a lot of stuff going on. So we've got water in basements. If you have water in your basement, certain kinds of water are not covered. So if you have a leaking basement, it may be covered on your homeowner's insurance. If it's groundwater, which we're seeing a lot of right now because the water table is really high right now and it's pushing up through the foundation, it may not be covered. If you, I had a client, and this has been years, they moved into a house and a tree had wrapped around the sewer line and it backed into the basement. Well, their basement flooded. Well, the insurance company said that's not covered. So my advice to you guys is, if you have a warranty, look at what's covered. Look at when it's time to renew. Make sure you stay on top of that. And look at your homeowner's insurance, because there's something called a rider. And I'm going to say, I'm not an expert at home warranties, and I'm not an expert at insurance. But these are just some tips to talk to the professionals who are. So call your insurance provider. There's something called a rider, which is like an additional insurance that you can have on certain things. So for example, an additional rider would have been the sewer line outside of the home. An additional rider may be other insurance coverages. So look at what those extra ones are and know, so that you can protect yourself and you're aware of what you're dealing with. So me personally, this roof repair I've got going on, it's not covered by warranty. That's on me, and I'm gonna have to take care of that. But there are warranty companies who will cover a roof repair, or insurances that will cover your basement flooding. So this is just a good tip, a good reminder. Reach out to your professionals that you trust. Look at your documentation, look at your paperwork, evaluate your coverage, and make sure that you're protected. You know, if your HVAC is much older, make sure you get the best coverage. If you live in an older home and you know the sewer line from your house to the street is older, get that additional rider on your homeowner's insurance. So these are just recommendations. You know, we always pull from information that we're experiencing currently, and we always try to stay relevant and helpful. So again, we always welcome your topics, we welcome your suggestions, but the tip for today is to talk to your insurance professional, know your coverage, know the other coverages you might need, and if you have a home warranty, to know what your warranty covers. If you're interested in these topics and you need professionals, or you need a recommendation for a warranty company or an insurance professional, whether that's commercial or personal lines or whatever that may be, always feel free to reach out to us. We consider ourselves a resource to our people. So reach out to us, let us know what you need, and we would be happy to get you in touch with the right people. So hope everybody's having a great Tuesday. You guys take care. Talk to you soon.